Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing our unboxing for Spring 2019 FabFitFun. If you don't know, FabFitFun is like a variety box. You can get beauty products, lifestyle products, fitness product, health products, I guess like fashion type accessory products. It's like a fun box. This is a $50 box. There's 4 boxes a year, every season. This is Springs. You can cancel anytime. It's an interesting box. It's not for everybody either. I mean, if you like getting like just makeup, you probably won't like it because it's not full of makeup. If you like just getting clothes, you probably won't like it. It's not full of just clothes. But if you like getting a variety of things a few times a year, you might like it. I usually get just makeup boxes, so this is a fun surprise box for me to get a few times a year. So for me, it's fun. So let's just get into it. As you can see, this is a very big box, and I'm just gonna dive right in. It's always very nicely packed in here. It has a pamphlet that usually tells you everything inside. I never look through this. It always comes with some kind of food subscription coupon inside. I don't really use those companies. And let's see. Okay, the first thing I see, I have one of these. I got, I think like from Sephora, like a sample size that's like, oh no, maybe I got it from Ipsy maybe. It's like a good like ounce bottle. It's not my favorite, to be completely honest, so I'm gonna save this for a giveaway because I will not use it. Oh, this is, I am very excited about this. This is the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. So this is like a sleeping pack. A weightless souffle that melts instantly into skin for intense hydration and brightening overnight. Powered by wild rose oil, a precious ingredient long used in herbal apothecary, combined with stabilized super vitamin C, turmeric, which if there's turmeric in something, I will buy it if it's like a beauty product, just so you know. Hyaluronic acid for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin by morning. So that's pretty exciting. I will definitely use this. This is the original silicone beauty applicator. I've used versions of this and I didn't like it. So again, I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. And you know what? I always feel like a dick being like, oh, I didn't like this, I'll save it for a giveaway. But I'm hoping that whoever wins the giveaway will be the person who likes this stuff. And if they don't, I'm hoping maybe they can pass it on to somebody who will like it. Oh, same thing. Okay, so this is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. Look how big this is. This is 6.7 ounces. I thought this was a body lotion, which I was gonna be annoyed about because I hate getting body lotions. Louie's here. Hi. Yes. You can play in this box when I'm done. Yes. Again, if a beauty product or skincare product says probiotic, I will probably buy it, just so you know. This probiotic gel cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. I will definitely use this. But look how big this is. I thought this was a body lotion, which I was gonna be annoyed about because I hate getting body lotions because I don't really use them and they usually just end up going to waste. So I will definitely use that. Okay, so this is the Dr. Brandt. I kind of feel stupid now because I was like, this isn't a makeup box or a beauty box, and everything I pulled out is makeup or beauty. Anyway, this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Have I gotten this in another box before? Yes, I think I have. Okay, I have gotten this before that I haven't even used yet, so I was saving this for a giveaway as well. All right, the next thing is also a beauty type product. This is, ooh, I love any kind of body scrub. This is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. I'm not gonna pretend I know French. I love exfoliators. I will rub my skin raw to make it feel amazing and soft and smooth. I know that's not really good, but I don't really care. All right, the next is a bottle. And this is the Sip by Swell. This sip bottle was created so you can quench your thirst from dusk till dawn. Thanks. It can be used hot and cold. Okay, so I think we have one more thing in here. And I think I know what this is because you can customize like 2 or 3 things in your box. Now you customize it a few months prior, so I don't even remember what I chose. Although I think I do know this. I think this is a backpack. Oh, this is cute. Oh yeah, it's a little backpack. And you know what, I chose this because I do like bags, but I don't have any like nice looking backpacks. I have backpacks that have Dragon Ball Z and Hello Kitty on them. So this looks like a semi grown up intelligent person's backpack. So I will rate the value of this box and whether I think it was worth it or not. So this was actually a pretty good seasonal bag. Mind you, 3 of the things I won't be using for one reason or another, but someone else hopefully will benefit from them. This is what I got in my spring box, and really, so this is how I think of this. You just have to say to yourself, is this the kind of box that will be worth it to me? Because $50 is good because you are getting your money's worth, but at the same time, you have to ask yourself, are these the kind of products I think are worth $50? Basically, you have to ask yourself this. If I knew this stuff was in this box, would I pay $50 for it? That's how you can decide or not if this box is worth it to you. More often than not, I do enjoy getting this box. Once in a while, there's a box that I'm like, but I'm like that with every subscription box. There's always a month that it sucks, and then there's always other months that I'm like, holy shit, I can't believe I got all this stuff for X amount of dollars. So my whole thing is that on my channel, I don't do anything where I'm gonna say to you guys, here's my code, and I'm gonna make a small commission off it. I don't do things where you guys are gonna have to buy something to make me money. However, on this box, I make a small concession only because I'm not actually making money off of it. So here's what I mean. If you use one of the codes below, I'm gonna leave 2 of them. One's a generic one that will save you, I think it's like $10 off a box. And you can use it and it's done with. It's just generic. Anybody can use it. Nobody gets anything off of that. And I'll use a second one that's personal to me. I don't make money off it, but I get $10 off a box too. So I feel like that doesn't make me as uncomfortable as being like, here's my Morphe code. I don't have a Morphe code, but I'm not actually making any money, but I am getting money off of a box. So it's saving me money while it's saving you money. So it makes me feel less guilty that way. But again, I'll leave 2 codes below. They'll both save you money. One will just save me money. You don't have to use it. If you do, thank you so much. If you don't, that's fine too. These boxes aren't for everybody. I think they're really fun. Let me know if you get this box. Let me know what you think of the products that I got. Yay, nay, you think it was worth it? Let me know. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.